Last one for me. Here's a fun one for you, Will. Here's a fish with a human face. Yeah, of course I'm going to bring you the fish with the human face. How do I skip over this one? A bizarre video pops up. Fish in China. Where else would a fish with a face show up? Remember last time we had the Loch Ness Monster in China. Now, of course, this article is even better for me because it references the Dreamcast title Seaman, which I had that thing on in my living room. People thought I was crazy. It'd come over, but that's my fish with a face. And there's a microphone in the VMU unit. Don't get me back on Dreamcast.
What did you name him?
I don't remember. But I had the microphone. I would instruct him. You could smack him. It's very violent. Yeah, you could smack him. People wouldn't believe you. You would be at school and you would say, I got this game, Seaman. It's this fish on your TV. You could talk to him and you could smack him. And they like, what do you mean you could smack him? And they come over and they hit the button on the controller. And now you smack him. And they're like, all right, yeah, you're right. How did this game get made? I don't know to this day. But anyway, we got sidetracked. So this video pops up now. Will, I'm going to need you to scroll to the link there, a version of the video. Of course, it popped up. Was it on TikTok or Weibo, some social media in China?
Weibo.
It's going to take a minute to load. Weibo. Watch this video. Give it. Kirk, look at that. Kirk, look at that. Oh, baby. Well, if you can't see this, I apologize. You might want to go check out, you might want to check out the video version of this show if you're just listening. What you have is a fish in a pond, and it has an incredibly detailed human-looking face on it. It looks like a face has been drawn on the top of its head, sort of, and it's shocking and sort of unbelievable, in fact. And it of course, is just the pattern, I guess, of the coloring of this particular fish, but it's crazy. It's like nature has mimicked. Maybe it's in a pond. It sees a lot of human faces, rapid evolution. I don't know. Or just pure chance. But you got to go check out this video. It'll throw you right off. Well, on BGR.com, they say it's nightmare fuel. I don't think it's nightmare fuel for me, but it throws you off, that's for sure. You're not used to seeing it, and it makes you question everything, including this reality.
I like how it opens its mouth. It's kind of like a human mouth.
Yeah, the mouth lines up with the mouth.
Yeah.
It looks like it has a nose and eyes, and it looks like it has brows above the eyes. I don't know. I understand it sounds crazy, but if you go watch the clip, don't look at the picture. The freeze frame doesn't do it justice. You got to watch the clip. When you see it move through the water, it really makes the pitch. It really makes the sale.
Where was this? I guess in China?
In China, yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought it was like in Chernobyl or something.
Kunming. I think it's a place called Kunming in China. Anyway, yeah, it's a TikTok video. Look at that.